What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan's Shoe Man, and I've got another unboxing for you today. This is kind of a mystery unboxing. I'm not going to show you in the thumbnail what this is because you're going to have to see. But first, I need to tell you about my new sponsor on the video, Jesus. Yes, that's right, Jesus. Matthew 27:46 says, when Jesus was crucified, when he was hanging from the cross, he cried out to God, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 also tells us that God will never leave or forsake us. Because of what Jesus did and he paid that price on the cross, he took the forsaking for us. He paid that price for me and for you too. So thanks for the sponsor of this video, Jesus. I've got so many shoes to unbox and make videos on. I've been making videos for a couple hours here tonight. Got a couple more under my stationary camera. It's late, everybody else is asleep, so I'm the cameraman today. And I've got all these too. These two bottom ones, I think I've been waiting for like days, a week, maybe not 2 weeks. But this is the video I want to record now because this one is going to come up probably before many of the rest of these. I'm not really sure. But today's video is my first Tradeblock trade. My first Tradeblock trade. So I got on Tradeblock. And I really want to talk to y'all about Tradeblock because they did not sponsor this video, by the way. I do like Tradeblock. I'll start out by saying that it's okay. I've appreciated it so far. I got on Tradeblock a couple weeks ago, entered my closet. That took me like 4 days. I'm just kidding, it didn't take that long. And I started getting trade offers pretty quickly, but they were just ridiculous trade offers. So I've got several pairs of Red Thunders on there. The Red Thunders are going for over $300 now. And I don't remember, I wish I had some of those trades. When you decline them, they go away. So, but I might have some of the messages, so I might cut now, put some of the messages up. Or something, I don't know, maybe not. But when you decline it, it just goes away. But like a 300 and something or almost $400 shoe, the Red Thunder, or 300, 400, whatever. The example would be that somebody wanted to trade me maybe a Dunk Mid, social status Dunk Mid, chocolate milk. That shoe's worth like $280. And why people get this in their mind, I mean, maybe they're just looking for people who are stupid and don't know what they have, even though Tradeblock shows you the value of all the shoes, and it shows you pretty much what the StockX price would be with your fees and taxes and everything. So this shoe, the shoe that I sent, that I finally got a decent offer on, was the Bad Bunny. You all saw that video from me a couple weeks ago. I didn't really like that shoe, and honestly I didn't think it would fit me very well, and I didn't like it enough to even try it on. So I was like, all right, let's trade it. My trade offer that I finally got that was decent was I don't know. But wait, I just gave it away. Wait, you're gonna have to cut. I'm gonna have to cut this. Oh my gosh, that's dumb. All right, so let me open this. This is my first Tradeblock trade. It's finally here. It took a couple days. It really wasn't that bad, or that long. It wasn't that bad of a process after I finally got the trade, a decent trade, for something I was kind of looking for at least. Here it is. Here's my first Tradeblock trade for the Bad Bunnies. Let's get this out of here. Okay, nice packaging. Keeping your box from getting scuffed up. Wait a second. This is my Bad Bunny. All right, now we can cut to the other. So I was like, all right, let's trade it. My trade offer that I finally got that was decent was a Dunk Low Panda. I'm like, all right, I haven't had my size in the Dunk Low Panda. Maybe I'll wear it. Probably won't, but it'll make better trade bait, or I'll just sell it. And honestly, I think it was a bad idea anyway, because I think Dunk Lows, the Pandas are going out because they've always just been trash. And at least the Dunk Low Panda men's, the high women's were pretty nice material, but the men's are just plastic. But I was like, all right, I can do that. Let's just get this first trade under my belt. It was like 28 or 38, and it was like $28 for me to complete the trade, which is half off your first trade. So $60 for a trade like that. A little steep, I guess, but hey, you know, as long as it works and you can make it worth your while, for the most part, you get what you want. For something you don't want, then maybe it works. And I actually messaged, the guy actually messaged me, and I said, hey, thanks for a fair trade, you know, like not being stupid like all these other idiots that want you to lose $200, like thinking you don't know what you have, and they're just looking to take advantage of people who don't know what they have. I'm sure happens a lot, but I declined, I don't know, 10 before I got that. And he was like, yeah, no problem. We talked for a minute, threw the messages on there, packed my shoes up, I sent them off. He actually told me he sent them the same day, and it was like afternoon when we completed that trade agreement anyway. And a couple days later, I get a message on my Tradeblock app, and it says your shoes, the shoes that were coming to you didn't pass authentication, or there was something wrong with them. So I clicked on the notification, went to the app, and it said that they were used. And they were listed as new, mine were listed as new. That's what the agreement was for. They sent me pictures of them. And I don't know, this guy, I did give this guy my YouTube. I will give him the benefit of the doubt. What he told me afterwards, I declined it because of value, because I don't really want those shoes. And even if I did, I'd want them new because of the value of both of our shoes. He said that he got those on the recent, and I'm not sure when you're going to see this video, it'll probably be pretty soon. The Cardinals, no, the Brotherhoods just came out today, whatever today is, February, whatever. He said that he got them on the recent Dunk restock, and he didn't even open them, he just shipped them off after he listed them on Tradeblock. It's possible, it's entirely possible. I'm not accusing him of anything, but just saying. I don't know. But wait, I just gave it away. Wait. All right, so I told you the story. I had to cut this back and forth because I didn't want you to know that the story about the Dunk being used. So, you know, I didn't have the shoe. I had to drive to UPS to drop it off. I didn't have the shoe in hand. I didn't have it available for trades for about a week. The timing wasn't really that bad as far as that goes. But I didn't have it for about a week. Tradeblock refunded me. I'm sure he didn't get refunded for whatever he had paid to begin with. But Tradeblock handled it really well, so I appreciate Tradeblock for that. I have nothing bad to say about Tradeblock. Really have nothing bad to say about him either, because it may have been completely honest and an honest mistake that he really just didn't open it. It was pretty clear that the shoes were worn. They were like dusty on the bottom, like asphalt dusty or cement dusty on the bottom, it looked like. And they sent me pictures though, and I got to decide whether I wanted to reject it or accept it. So all in all, it was a good experience with Tradeblock. Unfortunate that I didn't get them, but here's my second Tradeblock trade. So stay tuned for that one. It's a shoe that I went for on release day, wasn't able to get. Wasn't too upset that I didn't get it, but then I realized, and the value on them tanked. So I was able to get a good trade offer with that one, get rid of something I didn't really want and get some cash back and get the shoes and not have to pay much for the actual trade. Not to pay anything for the trade. I don't remember exactly how it worked, but you'll see that video coming up pretty soon. So make sure you like the content. If you appreciate understanding hearing a little bit more about Tradeblock and how it works and the experience there. I hope to trade some more. I don't know how much I'm going to do it. Maybe if they watch this video and want to sponsor me and not charge me fees or something like that, then I'll trade like crazy and I'll post every video. But smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see the next Tradeblock trade. Tell your grandma about the shoes that are going on this channel. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.